challenge for you and a challenge for me. My challenge is to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 5 minutes in beginner's method. And your challenge is to beat my time and comment down below what's your time. So please like and subscribe. And please stay at home and stay safe. Let's start the video. So guys, we scrambled it. We're going to look at it for a couple seconds. I already inspected it. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. So please comment down below what's your time. Bye. Please stay at home and be happy.